As we are having a wide range of variety in machine vision basket, we start with smart code reader. It is ranging from 0.4 megapixel to 20 megapixel. They have containing all the barcodes like 1D, 2D as well as stack codes or PDF codes. Now the next product is the smart camera. It is also having 0.4 megapixel to 20 megapixel. It is directly covering all software like web-based application, open platform as well as its standard softwares. Next, vision accessories like lens, cables, industrial lights and the frame grabber. Next one is a static DWS system. Static DWS system is generally for dimensioning, weighing and scanning. You can see if barcode is there. You can read the barcode up to 1000.
Hi, I'm Sandeep Sharma from Global SPS, and today while visiting this stall from Hikrobot, I'm so amazed to see all the products in live working, especially certain cameras which are running at so high speed, and definitely the cost parameters are so good, and this robots, how they are working in great sync. I'm really amazed by the technology and all.